Okay?
Okay?
Well, it's about, what? It is 10:13?
10:13?
So about 2 minutes
2
before
minutes?
the monthly siren test.
Siren test?
Because this is the first Wednesday of the month.
First Wednesday of the month. Today's
And today's April 1st, which also means it's April Fool's Day.
April Fool's Day.
So hopefully it's not a joke.
Yeah. Today is going to be a first day, Wednesday of the month. It's going to be exciting. Last month, we did the statewide tornado drill at the Belmont Pool. Siren location.
That's also on your channel, right?
It's also on Dad's EAS channel. And they're going to be testing the sirens. Oh, here we go. 10:15.
Wait. See, it says it right here, 1 hour ago. It is the first Wednesday of the month, siren test day. It may be cloudy in some parts of Lancaster County, but there is no threat of severe weather this morning. Sirens will sound at 10:15. Okay. There it goes.
There they go.
Okay. Come over here.
There they go.
Listen. See, you can hear them from here.
Mom, come out here.
No, it's too cold.
Mom,
No, it's too cold.
Mom,
I can hear it.
listen. Okay.
I hear one over there, one over there, and one over there.
Yeah.
So you can definitely hear them out here. So let's be quiet.
Tell Dad to say, there they go.
There they go. Yep.
Just like Racing Energy 12. It's called Civil Defense 2003, 330, going off to the distance. That was the first exciting.
Test usually lasts 2 or 3 minutes.
2 to 3 minutes.
Until you hear it slowing down, or what? Depreciating, or degrading, or what?
Yeah.
What's it? What's the sound? What's this word? When it goes boo. What's that called? D what?
D.
I don't know. Decelerating?
Decelerating?
I don't know. You called it something in the other one.
Yeah.
Oh, Degrading
Degrading.
means it's slowing down and going away.
Yeah.
And at 11:15 today, they have what?
Weekly test.
The weekly test.
Oh, and the siren's been diminishing now.
Diminishing. Okay,
Okay.
that's it. But
Now watch the sounds go off.
listen to sounds go off.
Listen to the sounds go off. It's if you like there's a tornado.
Okay, that's it. Let's go back inside. It's a little chilly out.
It's very chilly out here. That was the first exciting.
Okay.
Do you hear that?
That's it.
Do you hear that?
Hey, I had a measuring cup up there. Right?
Yeah.
The measuring cup. Where did it go?
It's in the frisky bag.
No, it's not. Oh, in the frisky bag.
Yeah,
Okay.
I put it in there because it was in with my computer stuff.
Well,
I know. We just need to get that entire area cleaned out. I know.
it really pissed me off, but I couldn't find it. So I had to get another measuring cup.
I'm going to piss you off. No one cares. What?
I just gave Duchess more fresh water and more fresh food.
Okay,
Okay.
that's it.
What you say now in the video?
Yes.
What you say in the video?
Yes, I want to see the video. Hear the video.
Say that's
That's it
for the
for the
what test?
monthly siren test.
It's the Civil Defense
Civil Defense
2003
2003
330
330
going off at the distance.
going off on the distance.
We'll say now in the video. That's it.
That's it.
And happy April Fool's Day.
Happy April Fool's Day.
Bye.
Bye.